Somebody's crying bolo. Somebody's crying bolo. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Oh, hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's about 12 minutes past 9 right now, and I've just come back from morning drop off for Asha. So I'm off again today, and to be honest, I don't think I have any plans for today. I know I have a couple of videos to edit and a few more videos to shoot. So yesterday I was able to do a couple of videos, but I wasn't able to edit anything because strength and power. So I'm also babysitting for my friend today. Her husband dropped their baby off today in the morning, and she'll be coming around any moment now to pick him up. But then he and Daniel are in the living room. They're watching Coco Melon. You guys, do you remember my unboxing from Shein? I'm not wearing the bracelet, so this is the set, and that's the necklace. So I've had my bath. I usually try to have my bath in the morning because if I don't, it's carryover. If you know, you know. I'm about to make smoothie for my breakfast. But anyway, you guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do want to click on that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications, that way you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright, so you guys, I just started a new series. It's called My Japa Stories, and it's basically me interviewing YouTubers here on the platform and just finding out how the experience has been. Some of the content might be exclusive, they might not have shared it on their channel already. Some of them you might hear all over again, but it's just a way to, you know, hear people's true experience and just better understand what the situation might be. I'm looking to interview some single people as well, because so far I've only done for like married couples or married people. So yes, you guys, definitely the next person I have in mind for my next episode is a bubbly person, and you know, I'm sure that a lot of you might get to understand her better because she's single, and just get to hear her own, you know, experience of how living has been here in the UK. So you guys, about that smoothie, let's make it now. You guys, this video has been sponsored by Irresistible Me, and they have sent me this very lovely chocolate brown 14-inch human wig, and I cannot wait to unbox it with you. I will tell you a lot more about the brand later. The OGs on the channel already know this is a repeat collaboration, but let's just get into some more vlog before we get to unboxing. So to make this smoothie, I'm just going to be going with my mangoes, my frozen mangoes. If you watch my food haul, you will know that I get this almost every month. And today I'm just making a simple mango and banana smoothie. I'm going to be adding some Greek yogurt to that, and then I'm going to be sweetening it with only 3 dates, and then I'm going to blend it with a few drops of water, or let's just say with a little water. And I'm going to be adding some chai seeds to it, and just to give it more fiber and to thicken it up a bit, because this is what I'm basically having for breakfast. To be perfectly honest, you guys, my feed farm has just taken me to different depths, and I find myself getting less and less hungry early in the morning. So I eat most of my main meals much later in the day, and for breakfast I either skip breakfast or I just have smoothies or yogurt, or you know, just something light. Anyway, I can also say that the night shift has also contributed greatly to that, because my system has just been turned upside down. So this is just the smoothie. This is how thick and luscious it is.
my children really don't like anything that has lumps or seeds in them. So if I'm making the smoothies for the boys, I would definitely omit the chai seeds. But because this is for me, just put in the chai seeds. This one wanted to put nonsense inside my smoothie, but anyway, you guys, this is just how I spend my afternoons, well, part of the morning before it is time for afternoon drop off for Daniel. Sometimes he likes to sleep, like today he was just feeling clingy and he just wanted to cuddle up before we went to school later in the day. So sometimes we fall asleep together, sometimes he just does the sleeping and I get to do some other things. Like fast forward to the next day, I got my Dagusta box. I already did the unboxing for this video, and if you haven't watched it already, it's already up on my channel. So the Dagusta box is just a food and drink subscription company, and what they do is just, you know, put a bunch of items together, especially for people like us who are still relatively new in the country. It's a great way to try out new items.
All right, so the time right now is some minutes past 12. It's actually more than 2 minutes, like almost at 2:30, if not 2:30 already. Yep, it's 12:24, and I'm on my way home now. I have just dropped Daniel off at school, and I just received my Dagusta box. If you guys don't know about Dagusta, I am so happy to be in partnership with the Dagusta box company. So they deal with different kinds of brands, and you know, the big names in brands. Talking about cereal, spreads, drinks, it's a lot sweets, things like that. So it's such a huge deal for someone like me who's a content creator looking to expand my brand, and I cannot wait to unbox this and start sharing the content from this box. So you guys, please, I beg you, in the name of the Lord God Almighty, if you see that video or you follow me on Instagram and you see these reels, please engage with my content. It does a lot to help me. You guys, I'll see you when I get home.
So for my Fit Farm lunch, I'm just having some salad and some rice. Look at the proportion of rice to the salad, and that is it, you guys. I'm taking this Fit Farm very seriously, and you guys, I have been seeing results. I'll share more details on my Fit Farm journey in yet another vlog, but just let's get on to unboxing and installing this week.
Alright, so in today's video we are going to be going straight to a PR unboxing, and this video has been sponsored by Irresistible Me. The OGs on the channel already know that they have sponsored us in the past, and they have sent me yet another wig to unbox in the video today. So if you missed the first unboxing, I will link it somewhere up here in the card so you can click on it and watch it. But for this video today, they have sent me this hair, and I'm going to be giving you all the details on the hair, but just let us see what this baby looks like. So this unit already comes pre-plucked, and I cannot tell you how much I am excited to see. Oh my god, I love the length of the hair. It feels so soft. I absolutely love the color as well. All right, you guys, so the hair comes pre-plucked. This is a frontal closure as well. It has about 4 clips on it. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. The hair comes so well made. The stitchings are so neat, and you guys, all I have to do is just to customize this wig a little to just match my skin color. So the link to their website will be in the description box, so you guys can click on it. And they've also been so gracious enough to give my subscribers an amazing discount, so remember to use my discount upon checkout so you can benefit from that. All right, so let us just install this wig. So I already have my cap on. I'm just going to be applying some foundation to the inside of the hair on the unit itself. Not too much, because I don't like too much product in my wig. It makes it look dirty and tacky. Oh my god, this wig is literally almost ready to go. I just have to do a little customizing. So
so that we know where this wig actually falls. And I'm one that I love a good side part. What are you talking about? Let's cut this extra lace because I'm actually quite satisfied with where everything falls. And they even gave me some baby hairs, you guys. I also have some baby hairs with this wig. Look at that. You guys, I cannot tell you what a relief it is that this hair already comes pre-plucked. Because I remember those days when I used to watch like influencers do videos like this and they will have to go with tweezers and manually pluck the wig themselves. Like it was so much work, and for someone like me who's not even used to doing things like that, I'm sure I will mess the hair up. But it is such a huge relief that it already comes pre-plucked and all you have to do is to customize the hairline, bleach the roots a little just to suit your natural scalp color or whatever, and then you are good to go. You guys, the link to their website Irresistible Me will be in the description box, and my discount code is also available for you guys to use. I'm going to be stitching this hair down with some got2b glue, and this is all I'm going to be using to secure this hair and sort of match it to my hairline. I'm also going to be binding that with this headband and just hold that for a few minutes while the hair dries. And while that is going on, I'm just going to be straightening out the hair with my blow dryer. I do not want to put any curls in the hair because I just want to enjoy how natural this hair looks. I would definitely be styling this hair sometime much later, but for now I'm keeping this hair bone straight. I do not want to make any further adjustment because I love how natural this hair looks. And when I take off the band, you guys, you can hardly tell where my hair starts and where the wig begins. So it is really that easy. Everything you need is in my description box. Like I said, you guys, you will be doing yourself a huge favor by clicking on the link in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you if you've watched up until this point. Please do well to give it a huge thumbs up if you found this video helpful at all. Remember to leave me a comment. I always love to read your comments. You guys, I will be styling this hair in subsequent vlogs. You do not want to miss that. So make sure your post notifications are turned on. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Goodbye, guys.